Hey guys, what's up? Today I am unboxing a PR package from Yesstyle. I'm telling you, this is the first time I've done a clothing type PR packaging unboxing. If you guys don't know what Yesstyle is, it is a Korean fashion website where you can order things that are just more than fashions, like home decor, clothing for women, lots of clothing for men, accessories, and all sorts of stuff. I'll probably just throw it up on the screen here where you can kind of just see a quick browse of what they have. So I'm super excited. Before we jump into it, guys, please do not forget to hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss my videos, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. So this is the box of stuff. I'm super excited. So they have quite a few things that they sent to me. I don't even know what they sent to me. It's a surprise. So first things first, let's pick out of the box here. Okay. We have a cute little black purse. I love this. It's super cute. Awesome. It's like this faux leather pouch. Super spacious. You can like throw your phone and wallet in there. I like that. It's so cute. Next. This one's big. Oh wow, these are like those it's like these dresses that you throw over long sleeves. Like, let me show you. Okay, so this is it. I actually really like this. I wish I had like a pocket. This is like such a mom thing, and it's such a cute Korean wear. Wow, I really like these. Okay, we're back. So I actually really love that type of dress thingy. I don't exactly know what it's called. I'll try to look it up and throw it on the screen. Forgive me if I don't, but I really love those. I've always wanted one. So thank you, Yesstyle. Okay, so next we have a cute shirt. Oh, it's the first time I'm seeing this brand, so I'm definitely gonna try it on and show you guys that. I love the kind of ruffles that are on it, you know what I mean? This right here. I don't know what it's called, this type of design. Next, they sent me a cute beanie. A plain yarn beanie, super cute. Actually, would this go together? These two colors go together pretty well. So next I have some makeup. Here we have a Hello Kitty lip and cheek matte. You guys know I love my lip and cheek mattes, like my cheek ones especially. If you guys haven't seen my updated 2021 everyday makeup routine, I show you which one I like from VDL a lot, which is also a Korean beauty brand. This is it in Kathy doll. We're opening it up. Let me see if it smells like anything. Okay, good. So it doesn't, oh, actually it does. It smells like candy. Oh, I love that color. So creamy as well. Next, we have a eyeshadow for Misha. Here are the colors. Again, love this. I love neutral colors. I'm gonna swatch it all at once. Oh yeah, I like that. So cute. So I have two more things, and this one is a jewelry item. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I've tried to make it a goal to myself that I'd start to collect more jewelry. So here is a necklace. This is it. This is a pendant, a cute little heart necklace, guys. Wow. I think it would even look good with my name necklace. This one that I have on. So this and my name necklace. I could probably shorten one of them to match the style, to like make it kind of set together. But I think that this is super cute. Wow, I feel so honored and thankful. Okay, so the last thing I have is this cute little cartoon foldable phone stand. Yellow hat there. Oh, it's like a pop socket. Look at that. I don't really know much about these, but oh wow, this one opens. And oh, I see. We're gonna stick it on my phone right now. Okay, so first we peel off the sticker to expose the adhesive. Probably want to face it the right way. So I don't know guys, should I put it this way or should I put it this way? So it collapses like this, and so it's unlikely that I'll ever put my phone like this, so I think we'll put it to the side like this. If I did this wrong, it is what it is. But oh my gosh, I love it. I love that. So cute. So thank you Yesstyle for the awesome PR unboxing. Guys, if you don't already know what Yesstyle is, I urge that you check it out. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I'm also going to leave my discount code and my affiliates discount link that you can click on down below. Check it out. Let me know what you guys thought about this unboxing, and I look forward to doing more of them. Thanks guys, bye.